Hey, Motorman here. I've been waiting for this now for about 3 weeks or so. This is Tour Pack, full-size Tour Pack. This is from, as you can see, Advan Black, and the backrest, of course. And I got this because my wife carries a lot of stuff, and this is her bike, and well, it's going to be mainly her bike. So she likes to carry a lot of stuff. She wanted the full-size Tour Pack, and you could fit 2 full-face helmets in it, just like you have on an Ultra. So I'm going to show you the unboxing here. Let's see what it looks like. I should tell you, the motorcycle is the Impact Blue. That's what the color is called. Unfortunately, I can't get the actual color code. Now, Advan Black has dozens of different Harley colors that they paint these in. They did not have Impact Blue, but there are several colors that look exactly like it. And according to a parts guy at the Harley dealership, he said Electric Blue should be the exact same thing as Impact Blue, even though it's got 2 different names and a different paint code. But anyway, I'm going to unbox it. Hopefully I will not have to paint this, that it'll match. Even if it's just slightly off, I'll be thrilled, because it's a lot of work to paint these Tour Packs. If you saw my last video where I did that on the smaller Tour Pack. So here we go. I'm going to open this up. It's a little bit off. My hand goes out of the camera. You'll have to excuse that. If it really bothers you, well, I give you my usual money back guarantee on any of my YouTube videos. Looks like it comes very well packed. I'm seeing this for the first time, just like you. Like I said, I'm hoping that I can avoid having to paint this. But I figured if I do have to paint it, being it's already a blue color, maybe I could just do a little bit of sanding and give a quick coat of paint and then some clear. Go.
Looks good.
What
do you think?
That looks perfect.
Oh wow.
Electric Blue and Impact Blue appear to be
Let's see.
the exact same thing. Can we get it open a little bit more?
Okay.
Well, there it is. It is a perfect match. I'm going to go buy a lottery ticket today because I really took a chance with this, hoping against hope that it would in fact match Electric Blue and Impact Blue. So if anybody's out there trying to match Impact Blue and Electric Blue, you know they are in fact the same thing, even if they have different paint codes. I want to show you what it looks like once I get it all mounted up. I got a quick release rack already. I just got to mount this to the rack. Let me see what's on the inside. Look at that cover. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Blue stitching. This is a quality piece. The last Tour Pack I got was from somebody on Amazon, and it worked out okay for a couple of $100. It was, you know, you get what you pay for. Not near the quality of the actual Harley Davidson Tour Packs, but this appears to be much stiffer. This is just like the Harley Tour Pack, possibly even better. And still, I think this runs about $650 in that neighborhood with this paint color and the inside liner. And I also have I got a wraparound backrest, but I also have a small back pad, which I think is what I'll be using on here, because we rarely ever ride 2 up. So I'm going to show you next what it looks like once I get it mounted on the motorcycle, but I am just thrilled that the color matches perfectly. And here is the Tour Pack installed on the bike. This is Advan Black's King Tour Pack. As I said, the color match is perfect. By the way, Advan Black does have dozens of colors, stock Harley colors available. They just didn't have anything that was called Impact Blue. So I had to do a little research, and Harley actually makes several different, they had this one color, Impact Blue, and called it by several different names over the years. It was available on, I think, on 95 Sportsters. I think it was also available on 2009 Electric Light Standard, but they called it something different. But anyway, it matches perfectly. I'm going to show you inside the tour pack. By the way, this pad that I put on here, that's not the one that came with it. I just happened to have that pad. It came with the full pad with the armrests on it, and it's got the holes in it already for that purpose if I wanted to mount either one of them. I rarely ever carry a passenger. Mainly this is my wife's going to be using this bike most of the time, and as I said, she likes to carry a lot of stuff. We'll open this up. This will fit 2 full-size helmets, and that comes in handy. You take a trip and you want to have some place to stash the helmets. It does carry 2 full-size helmets, and there's still room left over for small odds and ends. This has the liner in it. The liner is optional. This pack goes for, I believe it's about $6.95, and the prices vary depending on the options you request. And I think certain colors are a little bit more money because the paint is more money. But it looks great on the bike. It's a perfect match. Let me give you a comparison. This is the Razor Tour Pack that I just got this on Amazon. I don't know who the manufacturer is. And I found that I bought a couple of these over the years. As far as quality, it's hit and miss. Some of them are really good. This one is pretty good. It's not the quality of this one. In fact, I would compare this to the Harley Davidson one, which if you got it painted is going to run you at least twice the price. I would say this is about half the quality. Now I figured this out. I paid $240 for it. I've got about $100 in paint and materials and about 8 hours in prepping and painting. If I paid myself $30 an hour, it comes out to over $500. So I got this for over $500. This is $700. If you're not good at painting or you're worried about it, you know, buy it already painted. The paint job on this is flawless, by the way. It's as good as the factory paint job. But I'm going to show you the difference in size, because Advan Black also has this size, the Razor Tour Pack, which fits 2 half helmets. And there's room, you know, left over for some odds and ends. I will be putting, this is from Electric Glide Goodies. This is real handy to have. Locks that lid open on a windy day. Yeah, it comes in really handy. That's E-Glide Goodies. Has that. I did a review on it a while back. And as far as the quality of the paint, that I did this with the spray cans. It's, you know, for a spray can job, it's great. As compared to the Advan Black professional job, yeah, not so much. If you see them side by side, it probably doesn't show up on the camera, but there are flaws in the one that I did, and I've buffed it out several times, and maybe you could use another buff or some wet sanding to make it a little bit better, but it's just not when you do it with rattle cans, it's not going to be the quality that you get with a regular factory paint job, which is what this is. So Advan Black, I highly recommend them. Even at $700, you know, you're going to get a quality as good as the Harley, and it's still half the price. You really can't beat that. I guess it just depends on your wallet. Of course, if you get it, if you have a black motorcycle, they come in black, so you don't have to worry about a paint match. But Harley makes so many different colors. They have dozens of different colors that Harley offers. It's on their website, and you find the color or match the paint code. If it's a little tough to get from Harley Davidson, but it is available on the internet. If you match your color to what they have on Advan Black's website, you'll be able to get a perfectly matched paint, a high quality tour pack. And they also sell, I mounted this, by the way, to the quick release, and Advan Black has those as well. It's just 4 bolts. It's a no-brainer. There's a plate inside here, inside the tour pack. You mount the plate, you stick 4 screws through it that they give you, through the quick release rack, and maybe 15-minute job if you have somebody to help you hold that lid open while you're doing this. So it helps to have an extra hand when you're doing it. I did it by myself. It took me about a half hour to get it done. So that's it, folks. Looks good. Show you another angle. It's just as good as a factory one at half the price. You can't beat that. And the color match, as I said, is perfect. Till next time.